Planning a family fishing vacation can be one of the most exciting ways to create lasting memories with kids. Fishing trips give families time to slow down, explore new places, and enjoy outdoor experiences together. When planning a fishing vacation with kids, choosing simple and safe locations helps everyone enjoy the trip more. Look for family-friendly fishing areas with easy water access and nearby rest areas. Packing the right gear makes fishing vacations easier and less stressful. Bring beginner fishing equipment, snacks, safety gear, and comfortable clothing for changing weather. It helps to plan shorter fishing sessions so kids stay excited and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Fishing vacations don't need to focus on catching fish all day. The goal is spending quality time outdoors and building family traditions. Let kids help plan parts of the trip like choosing fishing spots or helping pack gear. Planning together helps kids feel involved and excited about the experience. Family fishing vacations create memories that last far beyond the trip itself. If you enjoy simple, honest parenting ideas for fishing with kids, feel free to like and subscribe.